if we combine two or more cells, it is like battery. So these three topics my friend will explain it.
Hi everyone, myself Deepika. I am a student of class 7 from Nur Academy University. Today I am going to explain what is resistance. So, what is resistance? The hindrance of earth moving electrons is a term as hard electrons is called resistance. And the unit of resistance is OHS. Now, the second thing is what is conductor? Metals like conductor, electricity well, or it is called wood conductor or semiconductor. Now what is insulator? Insulator is the materials which don't allow electricity to pass through it. It is called insulator. And the example of insulator is rubber. Now the second thing is short circuit. What is getting effect of electric current? And no terminals or battery and current is produced heat. Diagram is used to eliminate as it offers large resistance and get it when electric current flows through it. That's all, and my Sahadat will be explaining this to you.
Hi everyone, my name is Sahadat Hussain and I am explaining about magnetic effect of electric current. When electric current is passed through a conducting wire, it behaves like a magnet. In other words, the